Samsung has finally realized that mid-range smartphones in 2026 can no longer rely on outdated notch designs. And that's exactly what we're seeing with the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. Based on the latest leaks, Samsung is preparing to launch the Galaxy A27 5G globally in June 2026, bringing several noticeable design upgrades compared to its predecessor. The biggest change can be seen on the front. Yes, the Galaxy A27 5G is finally moving away from the water drop notch and switching to a much more modern punch hole display. The screen is also completely flat. For many users, this type of design feels more practical because it reduces accidental touches and makes applying a tempered glass protector much easier. As for colors, Samsung is reportedly planning to offer pink, blue, and black variants with a fresher and more modern appearance. Moving on to the display, the specifications are becoming much more competitive. Samsung is expected to use a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel incredibly smooth. The brightness level is also said to be very impressive, reportedly reaching up to 1,900 nits. That means outdoor visibility under direct sunlight should remain excellent. Even more interesting, the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, a feature that is usually reserved for higher-end smartphones. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy A27 5G is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset. This processor is designed to compete directly with the Dimensity 7000 series. As expected from Snapdragon, the focus is on better power efficiency, cooler temperatures, and more consistent long-term performance. Memory options are expected to include 6GB RAM, with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. The RAM uses LPDDR4X technology, while the storage is based on UFS 2.2. The phone is also expected to ship with Android 15 and Samsung's One UI 7.1 interface right out of the box. One of Samsung's strongest advantages is software support. The Galaxy A27 5G is rumored to receive up to 6 years of OS and security updates. Yes, 6 years is an exceptionally long support period for a device in this category. In the camera department, Samsung continues to rely on its well-known image processing capabilities. The primary camera uses a 50MP sensor that promises improved low-light photography and more stable video recording. It is accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP macro sensor. Meanwhile, the front-facing camera is a 13MP selfie shooter placed inside the punch hole cutout. What makes it even more appealing is that both the front and rear cameras are expected to support video recording at up to 4K 30 frames per second. For beginner content creators or users who frequently post on TikTok and Instagram, this setup should be more than capable. For battery life, Samsung is reportedly including a 5,000 mAh battery paired with 45W fast charging. Additional features are also quite comprehensive, including dual SIM 5G support, NFC, the latest Bluetooth standard, an in-display fingerprint scanner, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and IP68 certification. So even if the phone gets caught in the rain or accidentally falls into water, it should remain well protected. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G looks ready to become one of the safest and most reliable mid-range smartphones for long-term use in 2026. A new punch hole design, an AMOLED display protected by Gorilla Glass, IP68 durability, capable cameras, and up to 6 years of software support create a very attractive package. For users looking for a dependable smartphone experience without unnecessary complications, this device could be a strong option. What do you think about the Galaxy A27 5G? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you videos like this every day. Thanks for so much watching, guys. See you next time.